Stop, Alex. Bear Bear. Quit being a little baby. Come here. Come here.
Come here, Bear. No, he doesn't want to play anymore.
Come here. He's like, don't touch me.
What the heck?
He's like, Mama, he's trying to hit me with the hat. Get it off of him. Stop.
He was funny the first time. You like that? Oh, I'm good, man. Ow. Don't attack me.
Come here, Bear. Bear Bear. Come here. Come to Mama. Come here. This good boy. Come here.
Look at crap.
Stupid. He's about to do something. Go put him outside. Hurry.